What is a histogram in photography? A histogram is a visual graph that shows how light is distributed in your photo. And it's one of the most accurate tools for checking your exposure, both in camera and during editing. You'll find it on the screen of most modern digital cameras, and it's built into nearly every photo editing software, including Lightroom and Photoshop. Now, this graph itself stretches from left to right. The far left represents pure black or deep shadows, the middle shows midtones, and the right represents pure white or bright highlights. As you take or edit your photo, the histogram updates in real time to reflect how those tones are spread across your image. If you see a spike all the way to your left, it means you've likely lost all that detail in the shadows. Now, if it spikes all the way to the far right, your highlights are blown out and you've lost all that data and it's unrecoverable in the white area. This tool matters because what you see in your camera screen or even your computer monitor can be very deceiving. Brightness settings, viewing angles, and lighting conditions like sunlight or glare can all trick you into thinking your photo looks perfectly exposed when it's not. But the histogram, that doesn't lie. It gives you a clear, objective reading of what you're actually seeing across the entire tonal range. In souvenir photography, this becomes especially important. You're often working in unpredictable lighting, harsh midday sun, dim lighting conditions, or maybe shifting light. The histogram helps you check if your exposure is working before your guests walk away and before you upload anything for viewing or purchase. It gives you a second layer of confidence past just what your eyes see. Now, a well-shaped histogram typically offers a gentle curve from left to right with no parts jammed against the edges. Now, that usually means you've captured a full range of tone without clipping shadows or highlights. Now, of course, the perfect histogram depends on the photo. Night shots may lean far to the left, while high-key photos may lean far to the right. But the point is, you keep informed and in control when using a histogram. If you want to improve your exposure and protect every shot you take, click the link in the description to explore more terms in our photography glossary.